Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I will show you several ways how to center div in CSS. In this page I have this red div and I want to center it. Red div has no parent, actually his parent is body with width of 100 viewport width and height of 100 viewport height. Div has width of 300 pixels and also height of 300 pixels and background color red. First way to center this div is with Flexbox. So I'll add display property and value flex. Then I will add justify content. It is for horizontal alignment. I will set center. And also align items for vertical alignment. And I will also add value center. And let's look in browser. Red div is centered both vertically and horizontally. Let's move on next way. I will first delete this. Next way is with position absolute. When child element has position absolute, parent element should have position relative. So I will add position relative in body and position absolute in red div. Position absolute. From left, I will move 50% and from top also 50%. And let's go in browser, and here you can see that red div is not centered. It is because it is 50% from its top and left edge. It is not 50% from its center. So to center this red div, I need to subtract 50% with half of its width and height. So I will use calculate and I will subtract 50% with half of div's width and in top with half of div's height. I will copy this. And now you can see that red div is centered both vertically and horizontally. Before moving on third way, I will first delete this and this. In third way, I will first center div horizontally, and it can be done with margin auto on left and right side. So I'll add margin in red div. On top and bottom is going to be 0 pixels and on left and right auto. And now you can see that red div is centered horizontally. And to center this div also vertically, I'll add one div before and one after red div. So before div, before and after. F. In style, I will select before and after divs, before and after. And I will set height of those divs to 50 viewport height. But I also need to subtract half height of red div. So I will use calculate 50 viewport height minus 150 pixels. And now you can see that red div is centered both vertically and horizontally. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.